Hi all, welcome to my channel. So this is Deepak here. So this is my new video about Kia Seltos. So Kia Seltos has done a few new modification and they have increased their price for the different variants. So I'm just going to explain about the new Kia with the price and the price difference and what and all new features are added to the new model. And guys, so before getting into my videos, so if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please give me a like for this video. So Kia Seltos is available in the market mainly of 6 colors. So intensive red, aurora black, pearl white, intensely blue, and gravity gray and steel silver. And we do have the dual color option, but dual color option is available only in the top end models, like from HTX plus onwards. I'm going to explain the detailed pricing of the ex showroom and the on road price. So this price may vary from different places depending on the RTO charges. So I have collected the details of ex showroom price from Kerala and the on road price of Kerala. So mainly we have Seltos available in 6 models. So the first model, the starting model is HTE manual transmission. So the HTE on road price will cost you around 12 lakhs 33,581. So I have mentioned the all price details here, so you can just go through in depth. So I have mentioned the previous price of all the variants here, and what are the difference now, how much the difference is costing on May onwards, and so what are the main difference I have mentioned here. So you can see the difference in the red color. So going to the next page. So now we have different engine option available. So we have GTX 1.4 liter turbocharged engine, and we have 1.5 normal engine, and the diesel engine available now. So we have two main model for Seltos. So one is HT line and the GT line. So HT line we have 6 models. So HTE, the starting model is HTE, and the next model is HTK, then HTK plus. So now they have introduced a new model, the HTK plus ACMT. So ACMT means it is same as IVT, so without clutch. And we have HTX and HTX CVT. So these are the main 6 models in the HT line. So talking about the dimension of the vehicle, so I have just done a small comparison with Creta. So you can see, you can check the details here. So the HTE is the base model of Seltos, so which almost have all the details. So I have mentioned here the basic safety features like dual airbag, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensor, seat belt reminder, speed limit slow down. So if you're going above 80, so it will give an indication that yeah, you are over speeded, so please reduce your speed. And projected headlamps, so day night IRVM. So it have all the features the basic features like tilted steering and height adjustable driving seat. So you can just go through that the basic features. So the mainly what we are missing here compared to a basic model, So electrically adjustable ORVM is not available, and adjustable rear headrest is not available, and there is no rear wiper and defogger. But it is obvious, it is okay for a like baseline model. So coming to the next model, so the next model is HTK plus. So HTK plus, so we need to pay 92,441 on road price I'm talking about, to get a HTX plus. So is it really worthful to pay that 92,441? So you can check the next slide. So the main advantage of HTK over HTE is it come up with a projected fog lamp, roof rail, and electrically adjustable ORVMs with turn indicator, so you can adjust it inside, and an 8-inch screen with it is not touch, 8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android, and rear parking camera with DRVM. So it will assist you, like when you're turning, basically like if you're turning your steering, it will assist you. And one touch and down driver window. Okay, and so the main few things what I felt missing in HTK is like adjustable rear headrest. So if people are sitting in the back side, they cannot adjust their headrest, and the rear wiper and defogger is missing in HTK. So if you're upgrading to HTK plus, so the price difference is around from HTK to HTK plus is like 1,23,720 on road price. So if you are ready to pay this, so you are getting very good feature. So the feature like rear wiper and defogger, smart key entry, push button start and stop, cruise control, and rear windows curtain, auto headlamps, LED DRL, and 16-inch alloy wheels, and sound mode light, and rear parcel tray. So these all are the very good features which Seltos is providing on HTK plus. So like for a people like who for anyone who wanted to buy a Seltos, I would recommend to buy HTK plus. So this have all the required features for a like common man. So like what we are required to drive a car in this modern era. So all the features are available. So I felt the missing thing is like auto dimming IRVM and rear armrest. So apart from that, like everything is available. And if you're so now Seltos is come up with a new model called HTK plus ACMT. So this is same as IVT. So if you're ready to pay around 47,000, so you can drive the car without clutch. So it is very easy to drive in the city traffic, and so they have added few features for that 47,000. So the added features are like auto AC, sunroof. These all are like feel good features, like LED cabin light. Then so like in the old no sorry the model like HTK and all will be having the yellow color lighting inside. But if you're going for HTK plus ACMT, so you will get a like white color interior light, like all LED, and the beach fabric upholsteries, like that is also very good features. But only missing what I felt is auto dimming IRVM and rear armrest. But this is a very good feature for a as for a vehicle, like the people are looking for a vehicle like with affordable rate without clutch. So you can easily drive in the traffic with all the features, and the additional features what you are getting from HTK plus is also value for the money. So from HTK plus to HTX. I'm not talking about the IVT model. From HTK plus to HTX, the price hike is like 2 lakh 15,000. So this like if you're asking to me, is it worth to pay 2 lakh 15,000? So I would say yes. So it is all like feel good features. It is not like a necessary or a mandatory thing, but all the features which is including in the HTX is like all feel good features. So like UVO Connect is starting in the HTX model. So you will get all the good features like ice cubes, fog lamps, and full like LED trail light and headlight. So it will be auto dimming, like auto controllable, and you will get all the feel good features. So you can just go through the like list I have mentioned here, what all are there. So it is like specially for the passengers who's traveling in the car. So you'll get very nice features like 60/40 split, and like LED light, like DRLs, and 17 in the alloy wheel. So you can just go through here. And from HTX to HTX CVT, the price hike is like 1 lakh 17,000. So there are some good features added to it for the CVT. So you can just go through that, what are the additional features available. So you will get like good features like 10.25 inch touch screen. You can just, I have listed down, so you can just go through that. So in the HT line, the top end is like HTX CVT. So I have mentioned all the on-road price of Kerala in the first slide itself. So you can just go and check what is the price. So in the GT line, we have mainly three model. So GT option, manual transmission, and transmission, and GTX plus, and GTX plus DCT. So I have just listed out the features here. So the GT line come up with 1.4 liter turbo boost engine. So it will be having a very good pickup. And so the GT option I have mentioned here, the features you can just go through. For GTX to GTX plus, so all like feel good features. You will get 360-degree parking camera, wireless charger, rain sensing wipers, all those things. So from like, and other good features are like ventilated seats, tire pressure monitoring, but tire pressure monitoring you will get in the HTX also, and like wireless chargers. And for the DCT model, you will get the drive mode for the new edition now. Like you can choose the driving mode. And the top end model in the GTX is GTX DCT, which is having the transition control, paddle shifter. These all are the new things which is added. Paddle shifter, and multi driving modes, and hill assist. So all those new things are added to the new GTX. So these are the some new good features added to the Seltos. So you can see the Bose Premium 8 speaker sound system, and now the new paddle shifter is also added to the DCT model. The top end model have the paddle shifter now. And so it is coming up with the different alloys. So for the GT model, you will get the crystal cut alloys. For HTX model above, you will get the hypercut metal wheel. For HTK and HTK plus, you will get the hypercut 16 inch alloy. And below HTK plus, you will get the 16-inch normal wheels. So I would recommend the people who is choosing Seltos, like, yeah, I want a Seltos. For that kind of people, I will recommend to go for HTE, for the because of the budget. So HTE is having almost the all the basic feature a person will like, with a with a normal budget. Or like, if you're ready to extend your budget, I will recommend you to choose HTK plus, either ACMT or HTK plus manual transmission. So both have all the features which a normal person will be happy with. So remaining, like, all are like the feel good features. So if you want an automatic, fully automatic vehicle, you can choose HTX CVT model. So, and if you like, if you are a like a very crazy driver, so you can and you want more like power, and more power, and you are not cared about anything else, so I'll recommend you to go for a GTX DCT model, GTX plus DCT model, which is the top end, having all the features. So so this is what I have to tell you in this video. And so as a user experience, I'm personally using HTX CVT model, and I'm getting a mileage around 12 to 13 in cities, and for long drive we will get around 14.5. So it's a nice vehicle to choose. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe it and give me a like. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video.